Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. So we're here at PTV. Yeah, so you all know that I am changing state and I am on my way to North Carolina. Never been there before and I heard it's a really nice state. So I'm kind of excited. I'm also nervous because I don't know what the housing situation stays like. You would have known why in my previous vlogs. If you don't watch the vlog, go and watch the vlogs. I am flying through Atlanta. Never been there and I always wanted to go there. So I'm going to Atlanta for the first time. Yeah. So they're gonna pick us up around 3. So I hope I can get a lot of content as it relates to traveling. So in this video is gonna be about traveling. Yeah. So basically getting from BTV to Atlanta to where I'm staying in North Carolina. I don't know if I'm going to put the house tour in this one, maybe depending on how long the video is. I'm also going to do a little bit of shopping. I'm not going to do a lot, but you would have known this in the previous vlog if you watch the vlog. Alright, but before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notification, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come and join this H2B family. Yeah, we're going to tell you what to expect, what not to expect, and just to show you the lifestyle of a H2B recipient. Yeah, so yeah, right now I'm just going to edit some videos and sit here for a while because my flight is at 6, check-in is at 4, so yeah. Just checking at TSA, and this is like the second time they pulled me over, but it wasn't that bad. I'm at my gate now, gate 11, so now I'm have to wait like an hour, so let me go to the bathroom. I'm clean. This is the room, guys. Let me show you. It don't look bad, but it's just different. So you have like a queen bed right here. So I can't miss it for no reason because a queen bed I sleep on. I'm gonna take over this section, and then we have 2 of this. So obviously I'm gonna take this one. I should have moved this over here, so but oh well. And then this is the other section, and the fan, and that bathroom, which is them kind of updated, but it's still small, but it's not bad. It's like they updated. You can see I newly done some new stuff. It's not bad. It's a look clean though. That's so Jamaican Philip. It's so Jamaican Philip. Imagine I come and I say I'm hungry. Get a bowl of soup. And the soup nice, you see? Get lemonade and 2 bottles of water because they never get to carry on Walmart. Someone, yeah man, it's so Jamaican Philip. Pick up on yourself. Alright, so quick update. Me home sweep out the place, and I honestly not pack out it because it seems like maybe we might move, maybe we might not move, I don't know. But just wait until final decision, then I can pack out. The housing not so bad. The only thing that I have an issue with is storage, which thank you with dresser. But like I wanna pack away my suitcase. But like in time the suitcase looking like that. You know, like when things out of sight, you know? Like things out of sight, but if that's what I have to work with, that's what I'm going to work with. That's why. The people them seems nice, really nice. Them like just a while ago, me go in there, me say me hungry and they offer me food. And me drink some soupy soup, it tastes good. Congo peas soup. Like you know like when I drink that? Yeah. And them out there play them game, you know, a band as Jamaicans should. So I like that. But just come in because I'm tired and want to sleep. Just want to relax. Tomorrow see if we can go one. You see this is the thing with wig now, you know. So, yeah. We didn't look for my lights now, but we can't find them, we can't bother to dig up. They're right in the center, we just can't bother to dig up. So yeah. I hope this is fine. Listen, we now moving out, now move. I don't even know which part is something if you tie down my ear. The edges. Because when if you tie down, we don't want to lift up. Anyway, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably go Walmart later. Okay, so quick update. Reached yesterday and look at 1 of my nails, well 2 of my nails fall off. The one here, it's like my pointy finger. Yeah, they fall off and I packed the glue. This is another update by the way. I packed the glue in the box. So now I am left without a pointy finger. I was gonna fix it before I leave out, but yeah. So I reached yesterday and I'm going in today. No rest for the wicked, they say. So today is onboarding. So basically we're just gonna do paperwork, and I guess it's gonna be like a long get together, tour around the property and all those stuff, you know, orientation, something like that. Yeah. So it's gonna be a long day. So I just came to update you. The bus leave 10:30 exactly. So right now it's to 9 and the dress and everything. Like last night was the best sleep me ever get. I don't know if it's because I'm tired. Like I never think about anything because I'm a girl that when I come in bed I think about everything. Last night I didn't think about nothing. I get a call after 12 and then after I come off of the phone I not even remember when I knock out. So yeah, I just come to update you and let me show you some stuff that is weird to me. So to turn off the light on the light switch, you press a button and the light turn off. But differently from that, the place is fine. You get a big bed. And this office get adjusted to the kitchen situation. Yeah, but the best thing, I have my own bathroom and that is what I love. Yeah, whenever I'm on program I like to have my own bathroom because, you know, sharing bathroom with 4 people sometimes is crazy. Never get to go Walmart yesterday, may go today. So let's see if we go. Then we pick up the camera and I'll tell you what I buy because I cannot buy a lot, you know. I think I'm gonna buy stuff to put in the pink thing that I showed you last week. The pink thing, I'm gonna put the container, something that you push in there and dry it out. I think I'm gonna buy something for that because we need more storage. I may buy one more hanger. Yeah, just one more pack of hanger because we never bring mine. What else? Like Tupperware and some stuff where we can put food in and things like that. But I actually on a diet anyway, so I kind of like this. So I don't have a lot to eat. I don't know if I'm staying here. I may stay here, right? But as soon as I know, then I can, unwind. The only thing I hate is the fact that my suitcase have to go here. We don't have any closet or anything like that, but I try to pack it away neat. If you could have all underneath the bed, I would have pushed it underneath the bed, because I don't like when things in the way are out of place. So yeah, place sound quite like everybody asleep same way. But I would like to wake up, especially if I sleep long, wake up early. We wake up 6 o'clock. So when I get up, I check the email and I say, okay, I thought that I had one day for myself, because there's this girl, she was offering to bring me to Walmart, and I was contemplating it. But then one mind said, read the email. When we read the email, I said 24, or the 4th of the 24th of the 24th, which means that it is today. Right. So that is that. Yeah. Mom, I slept good last night. The bed not as tough as Virginia, but not as comfortable as matter of fact, actually comfortable, It's spring, but it's comfortable. It's comfortable. And then the fact that they gave us new sheet, new pillow, I love that. New blanket. Yeah. And then I'm glad to say they did, because guess what? Remember, a twin sheet to have, so it couldn't fit. I have my blanket, but now I have this, so I'm glad. New towel, new rag, new everything. And as I said, it seems like they renovate this place, because the flooring is done, the bathroom is done, they painted, so it feels so old, even though the building is old itself. If you go, I will show you outside, and the rest of the place, right? But also try to get comfortable for sense. Not really comfortable, but trying to figure out people, because I don't want anybody to feel anyway, if you understand. Yeah, so I just come to update you. Voice I got go, because I never really sleep for days, but such is life. I'm gonna continue charging my phone, so that when we're ready, we can just sleep out of here with a full battery, and I can have it to shoot anything that I need to shoot, so that you guys can see. Yeah, and I'm not going to disclose the place. Some people know. I'm not going to disclose the place, because I don't want me just start. I don't want to get fired just because I put them name or me showcase something. You get what I say? Yeah, I'm not going to do that. Maybe in the latter part. Yeah. Yeah, you're just going to see abbreviation, and the abbreviation is that you're going to be the place. It's going to be the state. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do. And then maybe at the end of the year, I can change it. I'm not going to show you, so don't ask me. And if you know, don't put it in the comment. Okay? If you know, don't put it in the comment. Alright, let's save V-La-Nessa job. Okay? Alright? At the end of the day, we can give a review of all. And the place seems nice, because people have been coming back for 5 years. And it could not be nice if people just keep coming back for 5 years. And it's not like they don't know how to come on the program. So, yeah. This is the town. Old town. So I'm at Walmart, right? And it's kind of weird, because I don't know if to buy, because the whole kitchen situation. And then that is not like my usual buyings, but I have to take off stuff. It's just kind of weird. What do I need? I need Earwick fragrance. I'm gonna see if I can get a move, because me and them have house where 2 person living, and if so be the case, then why not? Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. But for now, I'm just a buy. If anything, I can always carry them with me, But just in case when I get a move, just a buy same way. Because if I not buy as lot. a lot, like normally buy. I buy a lot. Let's try this. Yeah, but me alright, but it's just you know me love cookers, and then the people them seems cool. That's all. Yeah. So that's that. So I buy the necessary, but it's like it's hard for me to shop because I'm used to buying such a little bit of stuff, especially the first time. You know, the first time I want to buy everything that I need. But let's see how it goes. Alright, so I just come from Walmart, and guys, this is not the usual spending. My bill come under, how much it come to? I think I had under $200. Never been seen yet. Is that under $200 or under 3? Let me check. Yeah, under $300. You know, in time I'm first shopping, I always buy a whole heap of something. And right now, I buy a bullet. So that's why my thing come up to so expensive. But at first, I don't spend no whole heap of money. But I want to buy like one bag of chicken, and buy fruits. So the fruits make it expensive because when I go on a diet, I think I drink my milk. Yeah, so bought this to put stuff in, to push underneath the bed because I don't like in time things out a place. So that is that. So I'm just going to put that in the kitchen, in the bathroom and so forth. Plus make it a whole bag. 5 shirts, 5 pants. And 3 apron. First I come to a place and then, well, originally I had a lot of uniform because I took it, but it was 3. But this time around, then give us 5. So I'm gonna ring them out and come and show you. And I also get a goodie bag with hat and so forth. But yeah, right now I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go Uber Eats or DoorDash, whatever. I'm hungry, so the good thing is that there's something around here. So I'm going to rinse out that and then come back to cooking my first meal in the kitchen. Let me show you what I'm cooking. So I have rice and then curry. And I also have this stuff here. Let me show you the kitchen for a quick. So that's the kitchen. It's like an island. And you also have over that side, so it's like a big kitchen, and I think we have 8 fridge, 8. So you can imagine how much person is in the kitchen. But one thing, the Jamaican them keeping it clean, so I love that, and I own the Jamaicans there, so love that. And them cool, not got an issue. Yep, that's it. I have 8 fridge and I think 3 deep freezers, but the fridge have a freezer too, so yeah. I'm hungry bad, so I just have to cook. Yeah, I feel I'm okay now. Just can't wait for just came in from training. Today was a long day, but it wasn't really long. The reason for that is because I had to wake up early and catch the bus at 7:15. The bus, drive out at 7:15 and work is at 8. And we basically just did a lot of paperwork, reviewing the menus, knowing, what's in the food and so forth. So it was quite long and boring. Do you want to sleep? Especially after we eat lunch. Yeah, they gave us food. It was okay. Nothing too wow. Like, it's the first time, like, we don't normally like Shatura board, whatever they were there, No, normally like there's something like me always think saying nice, and surprisingly that was the best thing that I've had. I don't know if it's because of the jam or whatever, but it was really good. I'll put a picture right there. Yeah. So we are trying to move from here because it is conflicting, like the hours of the driver is conflicting with our work schedule, and it doesn't make any sense because tomorrow we're supposed to work 10:30, and they're telling us that we need to wake up and catch a bus at 7:15 just for 10 o'clock shift. 10:30 shift? No, that not gonna work for me before somebody got work. Like, listen, it's like they move me, give me a car or something. And it's so bad because, like, let me tell you, everything is okay, but I'm just not used to sharing like a kitchen with so much person. Like, me normally share the kitchen like with 7, and me couldn't even manage it. I don't know some life for cook, but know some life in the kitchen and so forth. So it kind of like bizarre for me, and me really don't like that. So I would like to move and get my own space. Like right now, if I know one thing, but just buy one 2 burner and cook in here. But you know what I mean, one living here and then you have smoke detector, and we're not going to do that. It's not like when I was in Wisconsin, because that happened at Wisconsin and we just had to buy a 2 burner at Walmart. But no, we are trying to move because the servers, as 4 of us, we are having a hard time because the time does not match up. You understand? They have 3 times the shuttles leave from here to work, and that's 7:15, and I think it's 11 something, and 11:15 for 12 o'clock, and then around 5 o'clock again, right? And it just not match up with our time because our shift is like 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So either way, it's either we have to come early or we have to leave late. And it just don't make no sense. And if you can imagine, I have a late night shift and I have to come in the morning and I have to like wait on the, like, it just not work out, and we're not doing it. The work environment seems cool. It seems like they really care for the workers, and they equipped us with everything that we need, but it's just a housing situation. That is my issue. And as if you go to any other place, you know, there's going to always be something. And I just feel like if they sort out the housing situation, you know, I'll be okay. Even if they say, all right, me give the servers them 1 car and then just drive come over, I'll be okay, because me kind of like driving, you understand? But I don't really want to move, you understand? I walk the way. But so, like, I was just coming over and I swear it seems like it was a 1 hour drive. Like what? Like what? To get to work? No, not now work out. 30 to 40 minutes, that's too much, that's too long. Too long. I thought that Virginia was long, but this one, like, I was driving to work this morning, and when we reach work, but I just feel tired because it's just a drive going over. You know, when you drive slow and the music boring, you just want to sleep. Yeah, that's also how I feel this morning. When I don't know, the vlog kind of get a little shift because I don't really vlog in front of people. People know that I vlog here, but yeah, I just have to get warm up, so they just bear with me. And then not only that, my shift may be bizarre and we may not be able to do a weekly vlog. I may just do it one day, I just come and just talk and, you know, talk about whatever problems it is, struggles or whatever. I may just have to do that. So no, bear with me because listen, it's summer and I want to make as much money as I can. And some things have to sacrifice, yeah, and you just have to understand. But I will keep the page up to date. I will post. Me have to be consistent, but I just not going to, I don't think I'm gonna do this long thing. And guess what, there's a lot of things that I can do here, and I'm going to take part in all of those stuff, not as in the resort but in the area. And whenever I get around that, you'll definitely be a part of it. But for now, I'm just telling you, yo, bear with me. I'm so glad that I have a week in the back video. Bear with me, okay? And thank you so much. Guys, this is a none. None. You never know, say, H2B have a section for nuns. Yes, if you are into the nun thing, you can come on the program and work as a nun. Those are like the pan. Uniform, full black. This is my uniform. I'm a server, and guys, this fine dining is top tier. literally have to train for a week, and I have to do a test. Anyway, I'll catch you back because the bus is coming and I need to get things done. So guys, this is the front of the house. Let me show you the yard. That's the yard. And it's like a retired place. Let me go down here and show you. So somebody man them live. So it's like a whole retired place. If you look on the balcony, you'll see rocking chair and all them somewhere. The man them live over there, so, and I had a bus to carry go work. Yeah. But yeah, me away on the bus. Let me show you. If you look, pure rocking chair. So I don't know what kind of place it used to be, but it seems like some old retired place. You know, in time, if people them old and them come live here, so and they have people that take care of them. Yeah, so look, because you have like an industrial kitchen and living and dining room space inside, but all of the rooms them have like bathroom and then some there. So that's that. What this place is like almost 40 minutes away from work, literally in a one different state, and we can't go do it, so we request to change place. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the update for now.
This one I can do with the jabba. I don't get time at the jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Big man, we don't feel jabba. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelly, ride I know beat, die for nothing.
Alright, so this is my first package. Normally what they want us to do is to send it to HR, but I decided to send it here just to see if it works, and I send everything. So I'm just going to show you what's in here. What's my first package. Yeah, so let's get into it. Now this one I kind of think I know what it is. I think this is a lighter, because as a server, which is a fine dining server, we are supposed to bring our own wine key and a lighter. And everything will be listed in my link below, just in case I want it. And me kind of fancy, I want the fancy stuff. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. So let me open it, and you can charge it. So that's the good thing. It will last a long time. So it comes with the charging cable. It comes with a thank you card and the lighter. So look at that, fully charged, and then you press the button, and then look at that. You see that? Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it because it's gonna burn me place, but it's fully charged and it looks so sleek, and I can bring it to work, and when I'm done I just put it in, and then yeah, so this is for work. Let's go into the other box. So about here, I'm making my hair tomorrow, and this is passion twist. I'm just gonna do a simple passion twist. I have elastic already, but I just came and I pick up a box and buy this. I think this was just $2. It's about elastic bands. I have saltfish I bought Aki. And then I saw this all over TikTok, and I get up in my age, so I need to take care of this. I bought this collagen peptides, so I'm just gonna drink this daily. Just make me have a youthful look, you know. This is also for work. About this server book. So if you're a server, you can buy this. I was gonna buy the colored one like last time, but I actually buy the black one because I just want to be very sleek. It's a black and black kind of thing. About more soft nails, because I need to do my nails, and I kind of want to change the size, not the size, the shape. So I have this shape, the almond, and then I have this square shape. And then I have to buy shoes, so I bought these shoes for work. It's memory foam and it's light, and this is size 7. They said that you cannot use cloth material, so we have to use like a leather material, so that is why I bought this. And that's that. And it comes with some heel thing, so if this is jobbing you, it comes with the heel thing, so you can, and it's padded. Yeah, so that's all that I bought today, and I'm going to use this right now. I'm going to wear my shoes today, and I'm going to do my hair tomorrow, so stay tuned. And I need to edit, so yeah guys, just bear with me as it relates to this first week. People are just getting to like used to me, and yeah, so yeah, thank you for staying by and just having understanding as it relates to changing over to a new season. There's a lot of Jamaicans here, but I'm not the one to say how I vlog. Let's put people in the vlog. No, I just have to feel out people first. So that is that. Plus I have a roommate, so I can't just always come and talk to you. By the way, I want to talk to you as it relates to housing, because I'm trying to move closer to work, but it's in like a debate. So I'll talk to you about that soon. Maybe next week when everything is finalized and I'm gonna stay here or go to a new place. If not, maybe I have to look another look at transfer or something. But let me tell you, the work is good. It's just the distance. I don't think I can manage it. But I'll tell you more on that in the next episode. So I'm just gonna press my clothes, and then I don't know if I'm gonna cook or probably just do my nails today. Maybe because they said that they don't like this tacky look, and I like it. Everything have to be so sleek at work. It is like I never been to a fine dining that is so top tier, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna press and then maybe do my nails. So I'll catch you in the next. So guys, today is my day off. Like literally can't talk. Decided to do some clay clay on my face and on my hair. I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna cook today. I'm also washing, but yeah, I'm so glad that today and tomorrow is my day off. Like you wouldn't even understand, because from the day I've been traveling, I've been at work. Like literally, I have no time off. So, and I also need to edit later. So that's what my day is looking like. They might want to play domino, I don't know, and I may just play domino, I'm not sure. But I just come to tell you that, yeah, today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and my roommate gonna work. So thank God me have today and tomorrow by myself. Like we have like I like to be here alone. on my day off. I have nothing against nobody, just so that anybody know. You just want to have a little space to do whatever you want. Like, no, I can't record because if she's here, I'm not gonna record because I like to I respect people's privacy as I would like others to respect my privacy. So that is that. If me talk with, is my face so stiff, stiff, can't move. Yeah, but I'm going to edit and then I'm going to sit down and talk to her about everything that's been going on because I know I've left you all behind. I've not kept you updated, so I'm going to do that. I did my nails yesterday. I did it, by the way, I did it. What I'm going to do though, maybe one day when we have time, I'll show you how me do it and what to buy so you can do it yourself and you don't like look honest. This look like I'm going to salon. This look like I'm going to salon. So one day when you can do it on yourself, save money, like it literally not costs a lot of money for do it yourself. And practice become perfect and I did both hands. And them equally look alike. You understand? They may not look good up close and personal. Well, it kind of dirty because of the mask, but it's good. It's good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna shower, wash out my hair, and then do my hair. I think I'm gonna wash out my hair first and then get something to eat because I'm hungry. And then later on, I cook. I think a lot of people is off today, so I don't know the kitchen set up, but right now the kitchen empty. I should have literally just go cook and done, but may I try to wash and do my hair, wash my hair and everything. So I'm here just to close off the vlog. As you can see based on my background, I've moved, but you're not going to get the shebangs onto the other vlog. But I just want to thank you for watching this video. Let me know your favorite parts of the video and just drop a comment. I appreciate all the comments, right? And this coming week is going to be super busy, but I have content in store for you, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's go on this journey together. For all those been rocking with me from day one, big up on yourself. And guys, remember that I have my ebook out, and if you want to be a part of affiliate program, you can also sell that book and get a commission, right? So you can do that. Yeah, and then the thing is, remember, even if you make $10, you can make up to $10 and you can withdraw that $10. So it's a win-win. So share the info, share the video with your friends and family, share the video. We're on the road to 5k, sooner or later 10k, and then 100k. So just keep sharing and like it, interact with the video so that YouTube can know, say yes, we're consistent over here, we're doing a good thing, and we're sharing positive vibe, and they can push out my videos. Yes. So thank you and stay tuned for next week. Next week you'll see a lot more. Anyway, peace and love. Bye.